How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here. In today's video, we're taking a look at CCL, Carnival Corporation. A really solid day for this one, guys. Up $1.97 currently, 9.3% right now as of 250. Clockwise. Really good day. Low of 19.19 on Monday, high up there at 23.36 on last Wednesday. A really solid movement, guys. I'm very pleased. Even though we couldn't break over that high up there at 23.36, we, another key reason to map out your support and resistance, because obviously it's a major resistance line. VWAP is on our side though, right there at 22.78. We're all holding it very good. I would like to see after hours push here past that 23.40, and tomorrow we can get a nice dip back down 22.50. Have me load up again on more shares and sell up there upwards towards $30. Good amount of volume today as well. Really solid, like I said. 68 million shares for the past 3 days. 66, 67, and an 89 back on, I believe that, what would that been? That's, well, today's, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. We made this a video yesterday as well, and we talked about this candle. I always call it a Doge candle. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, around the traders. And when it's a massive dip and you have this candle, it's a very good, not always, but a very good indication that your stock is going to be trending up. I mean, there's also going to be a strong resistance right here at 24.50. I want to show you right here, this candle, when it's high, it's a good indication that it's going to be dipping down. And obviously, that is not going to. Okay, so earnings wise, let's go here to the 3-year weekly chart. We can see earnings are going to be 9-23. Actually, that's, a lot of stocks are going to be here first, second week in August. So, maybe actually we haven't really covered Carnival Corp that much, so I haven't really seen the earnings. But 9-23, that's what it's going to be. Hopefully we can be stagnant. Negative $1 would be great. They do have 65 to 75%. I read on a couple articles that they're going to be sailing, through the share, which is very, very, very good. Hopefully the divvies come back, because once the divvies come back, the company is going to be steadily, making the income again, making the revenue, the profit, the moolah, whatever you want to say. So, like I said, if it's negative $1.60, it's stagnant. Is what it's going to be. If it's going to be negative $3.30, what's the point of even having the company anymore? Because when it hit these two levels, they weren't selling at all. They weren't selling at all. It was all closed. Restrictions. You guys know what happened there. Going into the future here. Excuse me here. Yawning. 31.52 is going to be your strongest resistance heading into that another top tier resistance right there at 40. But once it breaks over 31, it's almost a clear shot. It's barely 1.5 days of it trading in that level within the past 2 years. Or I guess it's only a year, right? Year and a half. So, it's going to be a really little resistance pushing up past 40. And then once it goes 40, back to 67, hopefully, with really strong earnings. I'm assuming that everybody wants to go sailing, Who doesn't want to get out of where they've stuck for a year and a half and go back to the way things were, So checking out the live news now. Is it time to buy Carnival stock? I say so, but I'm not a financial advisor, so trade your plan and plan your own trade. But the thing about Carnival is they have an article, at least an article, and something company related almost every day. So very much appreciated. August 20th, $21 calls, which is pretty low, I would say. January 2023, $45 calls. Come on. They're really lowballing this one. If we go full sailing, there's no reason why this shouldn't be, at least $35. Am I crazy for saying that? Let me know in the comments. But I'm bullish all the way. I may be a bit biased because I do own, some shares, and we had a killer day today. But hey, I'll take it to the bank, I guess. Like I said, really strong volume on the weekly chart. Exactly what we wanted to see when you're breaking out of 6 weeks of red, nothing but red for 6. And you're breaking over the volume, which is a great indication. And it is only Wednesday, so you do have the rest of, Thursday and Friday here to get more volume. And I mean, even if we get a pullback Monday, Tuesday, who cares? I mean, this company's going to the moon again when they start sailing. So I wish them the best. And like I said, I am a little biased because I do own some shares, but uh, really nothing to say beyond that, I guess. So guys, I'll end the video. CCL, thanks for watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more videos. This is the 4th video I'm making today, and I am making a total of 10 because of the Patreon. So click the link in the description box down below to join the Patreon and get live alerts, your watch list of your average stocks, cryptocurrencies, and options. So stay tuned for that, guys. CCL, and more to come. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.